Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the West LA Computer Expert channel. I'm Daniel Zivetz, your local tech wizard, broadcasting from sunny West LA. From enigmatic system bugs to hardware diagnostics and intricate software configurations, I'm here to share my knowledge and experience. If you're new to our tech community, hit that subscribe button and bell icon, ensuring you're always in the loop with our latest deep dives. Today, we're dissecting a common yet complex issue: unexpected system freezes. An annoyance we've all experienced. Ready to dive into some advanced troubleshooting? Let's go. And remember, if you're looking for professional tech consulting, I'm just a call away. Step 1. Monitor your computer's RAM usage. Memory leaks or intensive processes can lead to system freezes. Step 2. Execute a thorough malware and virus scan. Unwanted programs or scripts can significantly degrade your system's performance. Step 3. Verify your drivers are up to date. Deprecated drivers can create software incompatibilities, causing system instability. Step 4. Monitor your system's thermals. Excessive heat can throttle your CPU or GPU, leading to performance drops and potential freezes. And finally, Step 5. Conduct a hardware diagnostic. Faulty hardware, such as a failing SSD or RAM with errors, can be a root cause of system freezes. As an experienced tech professional, I've navigated these waters many times. With a combination of my insights and your expanding tech knowledge, we'll keep your system operating optimally. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Remember, in the world of tech, knowledge is power. This is Daniel Zivetz, your West LA computer expert, signing off. See you in the next deep dive.